This is going to be a quick video to show how to set up and use the AGM Mini Exercise Bike. This is pretty much the base of the entire thing, and so first things first, these are the pedals. They're even labeled right and left, so it's going to be able to just go on like so, where this is the part that grips onto your foot, so just kind of twist it into place. So once it's set, you just open up this guy and grab your little wrench that they provide, and then you can get it fully on. The right and left pedal have opposite bolt threading. The right pedal has clockwise bolt threading, and the left pedal runs counterclockwise. The right one's on, and let's get the left one. So first things first, screw it in place initially. Keeping in mind that it's counterclockwise threading. Actually, this is going pretty quickly with just my fingers, but all right. So yeah, just know that you have to do it the other way. Oops. All right. Pedals are on. Now for the stabilizers. Grab this guy and remove these bolts. Kind of sticky, so you can always just turn it this way, get a little bit more oomph. Then I like doing it this way because it's faster. And so you can orient which stabilizer switch pretty easily by visualizing it. So you're gonna want it like so. Makes sense visually, so we'll be doing that here in a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all the bolts off, and we'll just do both parts at once. All right, so we've got all our bolts off. So we're gonna nab this part next, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep it in advance because I find that easier. But you just use washers on your bolts, and then the washers and bolts go on like so. So I'm gonna prep both sides. Then the long side goes away from you, and we'll just put it on like that. All right, and same for the other side. So we grab our bolts, put the washers on the bolt, and get the short side on. All right. And we are almost done already. So just gotta get these fully on, and then we'll go through how to actually use this thing. And you'll notice that this is an extra part. This just goes under the bike to help keep it in place. So this is now ready to roll. And you'll notice I didn't even have to press the button to turn it on. It just kind of turns on. But this is kind of a one button show. So you just press it and it'll change the different modes. So you can find this in your guide, but the different modes are time, distance, count, total count, and calories. You could just toggle through it with this button, and you'll notice this thing here, that's for resistance. Nice and loose, and lots of resistance. So there you go, fully functional, easy peasy. Enjoy.